Finally got my final product in. Told you about this new cradle. Basically, this cradle is assisting me in keeping the tablet locked. So obviously there's a lock there, it's not going anywhere. Whereas the other old one, you could just undo it and take it away. So this gives me a bit of reassurance that no one's going to hopefully take it or try to take it. Obviously you could nick it. If you really wanted to nick it, you could nick it. It'd take a lot of effort, but it can happen. And I'm a firm believer in if you want something, you're going to do it. So if somebody wants it, they can technically take it, but let's hopefully it should be alright. That's the original screen. I've lifted up like I said I was going to do so. Obviously I couldn't see the buttons at the bottom. Obviously I can now. For some reason the YouTube's not working on this. No idea why. We'll fix that in a second. Yeah, it's that. I've put these couple of cables there. That's what's powering it. That's my son's disabled badge. Don't worry about that. That's connected to the hijack. Yeah, so finally it's done and dusted. It's there, I can use it as I like. Used it, connect it with a perspex in the back. See a different video of that.